Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do hashtag Tassel Tuesday. Tassel Tuesday is hosted by Creating with Jovi, and it's an open collaboration, so you can jump in and you can jump out. So that's one thing I love about open collabs is you know, one week you don't want to, or you can do it all the time. I did miss last week due to heat issues in my house, and it was way too hard to craft. So I'm going to film a tassel this week. So I ordered this tassel kit from Jovi in her shop. I will also link her Etsy shop down below, and it's everything to get started to make a tassel. I will also link the video I did on opening this tassel kit as well. So I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to put the tassel together, and then I'm going to bring it back and show you what the tassel looks like. 1 second. All right, everyone, I have finished my tassel that in Jovi's kit, and I will lay it down here and show you what it looks like. And I did the puff top, and I added the beads in her kit. She had a bowl pin here, and I just clipped the dangle she made. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert her Etsy shop down below in the description box where I bought the kit. And I didn't want to add any more to this kit that she did because I just wanted to use what she had in the kit. That makes sense. So, and I made it, and it went pretty quick. I'm pretty happy with it. And you can't really see how well the fibers are on that. So I have taken a couple pictures outside with it, and you'll be able to see the how the picture is, and I'll also have it on my Instagram. So tell me what you guys think of this. I'm gonna show you. There we go. Move this a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this camera stand. Anyway, so yeah, here is my tassel from Jovi's kit. And like I said, I wanted to keep it all original. Everything that she had in the kit, I just wanted to add to it. I didn't want to add anything to it. So there you go, and I will put the pictures at the end. And if you want to follow along with everybody, just put hashtag Tassel Tuesday. And if this is your first time joining, let her know that you are joining so she can watch your video and add you to the description box. And tag her name in it, so you know, at Creating with Jovi, so she can be tagged, and then she'll get a notification like that as well. So yeah, there you go. That's my Tassel Tuesday, everyone. So I'll have the pictures at the end. Please, thank you for everyone that has subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell. And yeah, you all take care and you stay safe, and God bless. Bye.